Kriya Yoga is the fastest route to spiritual enlightenment. This ancient meditation technique changes our habitual thought patterns, transmutes negative emotions, and nourishes what matters in an age of constant change. Anyone with sincere commitment to personal transformation can learn Kriya Yoga. To prepare to receive initiation, students learn how to calm their mind, work consciously with life force, and interiorize their awareness.
What happens when you practice a technique like Kriya Yoga is that it begins to change you from the inside. When you begin to change from the inside, then your whole perception of life begins to shift. You see the events of your life in a wholly different context. So Kriya starts as a meditation technique, but it really ends up being a whole way of life.
Kriya works directly with the subtle energy in the body, energizing the chakras and awakening Kundalini, unlocking our unlimited inner power.
This particular lineage of Kriya came into modern times through the deathless master Babaji. Paramhansa Yogananda brought it to the West, and through him to his direct disciple Swami Kriyananda. Kriyananda devoted 60 years of his life to initiating people into Kriya all over the world.
Ananda is a worldwide community of people living the path of Kriya Yoga and experiencing the full spectrum of life's beauty and power. Awaken to your highest potential.